Hello, welcome to Vidya YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some notations, so which we are going to use frequently in the circles chapter. So first of all, the general equation of the circle is given as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Instead of writing this entire expression on the left hand side, okay, so we will denote this entire expression which is on the left hand side with a single letter so that we can save our time. So this entire expression which is on the left hand side of this equation is denoted with a single letter s. So that means s is the notation for the expression x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Okay, so now the same expression I'm writing in this way. So the x square, I'm writing it as x times of x. X times of x, it is same as x square only. So I will tell you in a minute that why I'm writing like this, the x square as x into x. So we will understand that in a minute. So now y square, I'm writing it as y into y plus 2g times of x can be written as g times of x plus x. So if we observe x plus x value is 2x. So 2x times of g, that is 2gx. That is same as above. So whether I write the 2gx or g times of x plus x, so this will be the same. Now in the similar manner, so 2fy can be written as f times of y plus y plus c. Still it is s only. So now another notation we get s1. What is the meaning of s1 means? So in the expression s, okay, here we have the x into x, y into y, x plus x, y plus y. So in this x into x, y into y, x plus x, y plus y, so we have to replace one x with x1. Okay. So what is the meaning of that is x, I'm keeping one x as it is. The other x, I'm replacing it with x1 plus I have to keep one y as it is. So the other y is replaced with y1 plus g times of, I'm keeping one x as it is, and the other x, I'm replacing it with x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c. So the left hand side expression, so simply can be denoted as s1. So s double one means the another expressions notation, that is s double one. S double one means, so s1 means we have replaced x one x as x1. So s double one means we have to replace both the x as x1. So that means it will become x1 times of x1. Okay, x1 times of x1, I can write it as x1 square plus, so in the expression for s, that is y into y, we have to replace both y's as y1. That means it will become y1 times of y1, it will become y1 square. And again now we have to replace both x's as x1. That means x1 plus x1, that will be 2x1. 2x1 times of g, it will become 2g x1 plus, in a similar manner, so I can say that this is 2f y1 plus c. So if we observe the s and s11, okay, simply substitute x1 y1 in the place of x here in the expression for the s. Okay, in the place of x, you substitute x1. In the place of y, you substitute y1. So you are going to get s11. So another notation is s12. S12 means, so look at this s expression. We have two x's here. So replace one x with x1, the another x with x2. So that means we are going to get x1 into x2 plus in a similar manner. So we are going to get y1 into y2 plus g times of x1 plus x2 plus f times of y1 plus y2 plus c. So this is the S12 expression. S22 means, S22 means simply replace both x's with x2. So we are going to get x2 square plus y2 square plus 2g x2 plus 2f y2 plus c. So these are the expressions we are going to use again and again. So instead of writing this a big expression, so we will keep in mind that S1 means this is the expression, and we will be writing S1 so that we can save our time without writing this big expression. Okay, so that is the use of these notations in this chapter. So these are worth remembering. So we have to remember them, and they are easy to remember also. So I have given the logic to remember the notations to the circle expressions. And one more thing I would like to mention that these notations may vary from textbook to textbook. Some authors they will mention this S1 as expression as T. Then they will mention this S1 S11 expression as S1 in some textbooks. So don't get confused. So I will be using this expressions so that S11 means I have replaced both the x's as x places with x1 values. So that is why the logic gives me the correct analysis or so to remember this I've got a very correct logic, so I will be using these notations in this entire chapter of circles. Thank you very much.